What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back. Today we are heading down to the shop to work on a Blue Magic. Genesis is there right now. We're gonna be working on the roof today. Those trucks come with horns, air horns on top of it, and we remove them. And once we remove them, there is a spot where the air line comes out to connect to the horn. It's leaking from there, and also the brackets itself, we're gonna take them off, fiberglass it, Bondo or fiberglass filler, whatever it is, and smoothing it out, and then we're gonna seal it up so it's a smooth top. And also those the roof lights are different. They're not the torpedoes like the Peterbilt usually do. So we're gonna switch those out and put torpedo lights on and get the truck looking good. So hopefully we can get it done in a day. We're hoping that we can, but I'm not 100% sure. But I'm headed to the shop now. I'll see you guys when I get there. All right, we are here. We're just moving some cars out to get the truck in. Not Jamaica, this is Jamaica's truck I'm driving right now, but you got Genesis's truck right here. You guys probably can't see from here, but yeah, you can see the horn mounts are still there. So we gotta get these all off, eh? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What a yeah. This one here. That's definitely this is definitely one that's leaking. Jesus Christ. Yeah, because the fiberglass lift up on this one here. Oh, there's a fucking glove in there. Nice. All right. Oh, it's all frozen still. Ooh, the heat right here, you can feel it. guys, we are back here at the shop. It is a new day. Yesterday we fiberglass and then body filled the roof itself to fill all the holes in and stuff. We let it sit and dry overnight, and we just got back here and we just sanded it down. I'm kind of dirty, as you guys can see here, but we sanded it down, smoothed it up, and then we did a little patch there to paint it black until this truck is ready to go all black, because it's gonna go all black eventually when money's right. But yeah, we did a nice little patch. I'll show you guys up there right now, and then we are going to be doing the torpedo lights right now. So I'll quickly get up there just to show you guys how it looks. Whoa. Just bear with me here. So we did, it's still dirty and it's still drying, but yeah, we did a nice little black patch there, and then we're going to put the torpedo lights in. We just were trying to wire it and test it out, and we realized that we blew a fuse. So Genesis just ran to Canadian Tire to grab a fuse, and then we're going to put the fuse in, make sure the lights are working, and then this truck should be done. It should be done. But interior has to go back in too. Gonna help Genesis do that, because all the interior is out right now, as you guys can see. Oh, you guys can see the W9's not here right now because it is outside. We brought it out, but it is freezing out there. Give you guys a quick little look at it from here. Woo. She's cold. She's cold out there. All right, for now, I am going to go up there and I'm going to start putting those torpedoes in. So we got Genesis' truck done, man. We got it all done. Lights and roof is sealed finally. So he's just bringing his truck out now, and we're gonna pack everything inside, and that's gonna be it. Bring this thing up so you guys can see it. I gotta fix the bumper there too. Those lights are out. We're gonna fix that a little bit.